Hello everyone, today's topic is adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So far we have done what is the meaning of algebraic fractions, how to simplify them, multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions. In today's lesson we will be focusing on both of these operations, addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Now the practice questions have been given over here. There are two parts of practice questions. The first four questions are in the part 1, which are quite simple, and once you understand the concept of adding and subtraction of them, we can extend it to the another level, and part 2 contains two questions. So these questions I want you can try, and if there will be any doubt you can let me know, and I will be giving my email ID and my WhatsApp number in the description box, so you can contact me. Alright, now let's go for the step-by-step explanation of how to do this addition and subtraction for the algebraic fractions. If you all remember the arithmetic expressions, we consider three different types. Let's say first case is 1 over 2 and another is also 1 over 2. In this case, when I am adding these two arithmetic expressions, here both the denominators are same. Second case, I take 1 by 2 plus 1 quarter. Here their denominators are different, but they are multiple of each other. And third case, 1 over 2 and 1 over 3, we are adding them, and the denominators are not equal, neither they are multiple of each other, nor they are on the same table, nor they are equal even. So in this case, why we are discussing so? Because whenever we have to add the fractions or subtract, the denominators must be same. Same is the process we will be applying in the algebraic fractions. Now if you look at this first question, here I have 7 over a plus 6 over b. One new denominator is a and another denominator is b, and we have to add them, so the denominators, they must be same. So what we can do here, we have 7 over a, neither they are multiple of each other. So here in the first fraction b is missing, so I will times by b, both numerator and denominator. This is a must condition. You cannot just simply write 7 over ab, that would be wrong, because in actual it should remain 7 over a. Okay, so that means we need to times it by b in the numerator and denominator both. And in the second fraction we have 6 over b, so here I will times the numerator and denominator by a, so that I can make the denominators equal. Now I will be getting 7b over ab plus 6a over ba, or you can say ab. So from here, once the denominator is same, we can rewrite it once, and then we can write the numerators together, and if they are like terms we can add them, otherwise you can leave it like this way, because in our case they are not the like terms, the variable part, that is not same, so we have to keep it like this way. Now the second question, we have x over 4y, and this is added with 3y over x. Now again here we have one denominator as 4y and another is x, so I will times here by x and again here as well by x. You can only multiply, and if you are multiplying here to make the denominators same, so you have to do the same thing for the numerator also, and then you can times here by 4y, and here also you can times by 4y. Sometimes we can explain it this way also. You have x over 4y plus 3y over x. You can do like this way. Sometimes it is called cross multiplication, but it is not exactly cross multiplication. You just remember it this way, easy. It is x squared, but always remember first we do like this way, because if addition, it does not affect. If it is a subtraction, then if you write x squared minus 12y square is one thing, and if you write this thing first, so it will be 12y square minus x square, so then it will be different. So always better you go this method. This is easy, and this is, you need not to remember anything here, that which term you have to write first. And after that, once you get this, so we can write x times x as x squared over 4xy plus 4 times 3 is 12 and 12y square over 4xy. Now the denominators are same, so I can write them once, and numerator is x squared plus 12y square, as the terms are not like terms in the numerator, so we have to keep it like this. So this is the answer. Next question is 5 minus 2 over x. Now here 5 is a whole number and then 2 over x is an algebraic fraction. If I have to subtract the fractions, so we have to keep both the terms as fractions. So how to make a whole number as a fraction? By divided by 1. Now 1 is a numerator 5 and the denominator is 1, and here the denominator is x. So I will times it by x, and here also I will times by x, and here even if you multiply by 1 it doesn't matter, because multiplying by 1 is the same number you will get. So we got 5x over x minus 2 over x, and now I got the denominator same. So in the numerator I will be writing 5x minus 2 over x. This is my answer for this question. Okay, next question is x over 6 minus 2 minus x. This is very important question, though it seems very simple. Again here the new denominators are different, 6 and 5, neither they are multiple of each other nor they are equal. So I will time this by 5 and here also by 5. Same here, I will times by 6 and here also by 6. Make sure when you are writing multiply by 6 you enclose it in the bracket, because now here we have two terms which we need to multiply by 6. Now I got 5x divided by 30 minus, keep this minus outside and multiply with 6, so it will be 12 minus 6x. This is very important, do not open the brackets, go step by step. Now in the next step we say that 30 is the denominator which is equal, so I can write the numerator once in the same way. So 5x minus 12 minus 6x. Now you can open the bracket, so it will become 5x minus 12 plus 6x and divided by 30. So from here we got 11x minus 12, because 5x and 6x are the like terms, so we can add them here as they both are positive, and divided by 30. No more further simplification, so this is our final answer. Next question is 3 over x plus 5 over x plus 1. Now here we have the two different denominators and they are not multiple of each other. So what I need to do, I will be writing them again, 3 over x plus 5 over x plus 1. So I will times both numerator and denominator here by x plus 1, and here I will times them by x. So I got 3 times x plus 1 plus 5x, and because the denominator is same, so I will write it once. And now I will open the bracket in the first one. 3 times x is 3x, and then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 5x divided by x times x plus 1. This is equal to 5x plus 3x, which is 8x, plus 3 divided by x times x plus 1. If you want you can multiply them also, so you can write your answer as 8x plus 3 divided by x squared plus x as well. If they haven't asked you to write it in a specific form, then you are allowed to write it this form or this form as well. Next question comes with the three terms where we have one subtraction sign and one addition sign. Now here we have three denominators which are different from each other, and we have to, if we have to add or subtract, we have to make all of them same. So what you can do, x over x minus 1, here x is missing and x plus 1, this denominator is missing, this is also missing and this is also missing, so I multiplied by this, and same I will be multiplying in the numerator. Then 1 over x, so I will times it by x minus 1 and x plus 1, and here also x minus 1 and x plus 1, and in the last we have x over x plus 1. So what is missing, x minus 1 into x, and same here multiply by x into x minus 1. Now by doing so we got the same denominator. If you see these two, first we can multiply, it is a minus b times a plus b, which is a squared minus b squared, so which is x squared minus 1. So we got it x times x squared minus 1. Numerator it is x squared times So this is x squared times x plus 1, then minus x squared minus 1, keep it in bracket because we are getting two terms. When you will expand it, a minus b times a plus b, you will be getting x squared minus 1, and then minus x squared times x minus 1. Always it is the best way to go step by step. Now you can open the bracket. So x squared times x is x cubed plus x squared times x 1 is equal to x squared. Open the brackets in the second part. So minus x squared plus 1, because of this negative sign here it is a plus, then plus x cubed and then minus x squared divided by x times x squared minus 1. So x squared and x squared got cancelled and you got x cubed plus x cubed, which is 2x cubed, minus x squared plus 1 divided by x into x squared minus 1. You can keep it like this way. Okay. So what I did here, I multiplied x squared by x plus 1. So it is x cubed plus x squared, then minus x squared plus 1 and x cubed minus x squared. So x squared and minus x squared got cancelled. X cubed and x cubed added. So it became 2x cubed minus x squared and then plus 1. So this is the most simplified answer. Next question is, you have 2x over x minus 3 plus 4 over x plus 2 times x minus 3. Now this question can be done in two ways. What you can do here, that you can times it by x plus 2. So that is one way. So what you will be doing, 2x x plus 2 over x minus 3 x plus 2, and here no need to do anything because it is having both the factors x plus 2 and x minus 3. As the denominators are same, so I can write them once, x minus 3 times x plus 2, and in the numerator it is 2x times x, which is 2x squared, and then 2x times 4, which is 4x, and plus 4. Now the final answer you can give like this, 2x squared plus 4x plus 4, and this whole thing is divided by x squared minus x minus 6. You will see you cannot be able to factorize it even if you take 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 2. You always have to see if you can do that. If you can do that, always do, otherwise you can leave your answer this way. Same way you can do all of these, the questions of this type. Now there is this question which is quite interesting one, and this is a different category of question. Here you have again a fraction, algebraic fraction, but if you see the numerator itself is again a fraction. So first what we do here, we will simplify the numerator part itself, or you can write it this way, x over x minus 2 minus 3, and this whole thing is divided by x minus 3. And we know that how to do the division with the help of multiplication. So this part is the first fraction as it is. Division sign will be changed into multiplication and then reciprocal of the fraction, the next fraction. This is x minus 3 over 1 because nothing is written in the denominator, so I can write it 1 and then I took the reciprocal. Now this is the part we have to simplify. So let's take this one. X over x minus 2 minus 3 is equal to x over x minus 2 minus 3 times x minus 2 over x minus 2, which is equal to x minus 3 times x minus 2 over x minus 2, and if you expand this bracket, so x minus 3x plus 6 over x minus 2. So I got 6 minus 2x over x minus 2. Now what we need to do, this thing 6 minus 2x divided by x minus 2, I have to times it by 1 over x minus 3. Now as I told you, you always have to see if you can simplify. Simplify means if there is any factor common. So in the first factor I can take 2 common, so it will be 3 minus x over x minus 2 times 1 over x minus 3. And also we know that a minus b is equals to minus b minus a. And here the same thing is happening, 3 minus x, and here is x minus 3. So I will write this 2 times 3 minus x over x minus 2 times by 1 over minus 3 minus x. So these two parts will be cancelled out, and it will be 2 times 1 is 2, divide by minus, because it is minus 1 left here. So this minus 1 into x minus 2, or you can write minus 2 over x minus 2. This is our answer. If you have the subtraction sign in the either numerator or denominator, you can keep that subtraction sign as this way, minus and then 2 over x minus 2. Keep the subtraction sign in the middle. Now the next question is 6 over x plus 2 times x plus 5 plus x over x plus 2. In the previous question I gave you an example that you have to make, okay, this is x plus 2 times by x plus 5, because this is not present in the second part. But there is another way also to do this question, that this 1 over x plus 2 in the denominator is present in, like x plus 2 is a factor which is present in the denominator. I can take it common. So I will say 1 over x plus 2 because it is in the denominator. I cannot write x plus 2 times. No. Because if I write this way, that means this is the numerator. But if you see here, x plus 2 is in the denominator. But I can take it common. Once I take it common, I get 6 over x plus 5 plus x over a 1. Because I have taken x plus 2 whole thing common. So this will be the thing. Now I can make the denominators equal inside the brackets here, because I have to add them. So 6 over x plus 5 plus x over 1. So I will times it by x plus 5, and here also x by 5. Now I got 1 over x plus 2 times 6 plus x times x plus 5 and divided by x plus 5. And after that 1 over x plus 2, the same process you have to do all the time. 6 plus x squared plus 5x divided by x plus 5. So we will be writing it as x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 5. And now if you see this x squared plus 5x plus 6, the sum is 3 and product is 6. Two numbers that multiply should give me 6, and those two numbers should add up to 5, which is happening over here. So x plus 3 times x plus 2, I can write it, divided by x plus 2 times x plus 5, and this is a common factor, so cancelled out. So finally we got the answer as x plus 3 over x plus 5. You can write them in bracket, or if you want you can give your answer as x plus 3 divided by x plus 5. So this was all about how to add and subtract the algebraic fractions. Thank you.